All right, guys. So I want to show you how to change the language on a Google TV. So I have my TCL TV here, and you can see it's in a different language. I speak English, so I want to change it back to English. So what we're going to do, since we likely can't read what it says, we're going to try to navigate by icons. So first icon is the cogwheel right there. And that is going to be our settings. And then there's a second cogwheel right there. That is our next settings. Now we have to go down to system. And well, in this language, system is very similar to system, but it's going to be a computer screen. Okay, that's where we need to go. And then inside of system, we need to find the globe. Okay, so this globe icon, I hope you can see it. We're going to open that up. And now we have a bunch of different languages here. So I'm going to go to English, United States. You're going to pick whatever language it is that you're looking for. You're going to select it. And just like that, you have now changed your language on your Google TV. So super easy video today, guys. I hope this helps. If it does, like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.